We're looking at a pair of panoramic views of Boston, Massachusetts, taken from Bunker Hill. But what's interesting about these, to begin, is the variant colored paper, but also the variant imprint of the title on the cover. A close comparison shows that they are, in fact, different letterpress illustrations. So if we open up this one, what we see is a 16-page booklet that describes in detail the view. The view itself is contained within this booklet, and it unfolds like so. It's engraved by James Smillie, and across the bottom we see an extensive key that identifies 160 specific locations on the view. The view itself is still structurally sound, but has several old tape repairs on the reverse done long ago. There are a couple short splits that are readily closed if someone desires. But this is scarce and uncommon. It's two sheets as joined by the publisher right here. And this pair is currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.